Okay, good morning students. We are going to discuss electrostatics with SHM connectivity. Already we discussed this one, Q and Q separated by a distance 2L. They are fixed, these two positive charges fixed. At midpoint, plus Q is placed, displaced slightly and released. It is executing in SHM. That is the previous concept. Now, two charges, two positive charges, each capital Q are fixed, and the distance between them is 2L. Distance between them is 2L. So now a point negative charge lies midway between them. Negative charge minus Q is placed midway between them, and the minus Q is displaced slightly perpendicular to line joining, like this, displaced perpendicular to line joining fixed charges. What happened? Is it executing in SHM or not? We have to check it. Suppose here at midpoint what happened? At midpoint net force on minus Q 0 due to these positive charges. Now it is displaced slightly. It is the lateral displacement. Displaced slightly perpendicular to line joining them. So line joining them, they are displaced from here to here. Minus Q is displaced here to here. So here what is the distance? This is the x. Here to here is L. This is also L. Okay. What is the distance of minus Q from capital Q? Is root over L square plus x square. Similarly, this is also same. Root over L square plus x square. Students. Okay. So here, what is the force acting on minus Q due to this? This is the negative. Minus Q is attracted by plus Q towards it with a force F. With a force F1, no problem. So here, minus Q is attracted by this Q, this side, this is the force F2. We know that F1 and F2 will be same in magnitude wise. Both same. That's why F1 is equal to F2, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QQ divided by distance L square plus x square under root whole square. Students, so here square and root cancel. Square and root cancel. Please here, therefore F1 is equal to F2, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by L square plus x square. So, but here F1 and F2 magnitude wise is same, but direction is the different, not opposite, different. So here force acting on this one is F1, this minus Q, this side is F2. What is the components? So imagine this is the theta, this is also theta. XL. So that's why these are the similar triangles. We know that here theta, what is this? Theta. Here also this is theta. Here F1 can be resolved into two components, and adjacent component is F1 cos theta, and opposite component, this is F1 sin theta. Similarly, here F2 also resolved. This side is F2 cos theta, This side is F2 sine theta. So here F1 and F2 magnitude wise same, and cos theta, cos theta. That's why here these two cancel with each other. These two cancel with each other. What is the restoring force? F1 sine theta plus F2 sine theta. Restoring force. Restoring force on minus Q charge is F net is equal to F1 sine theta plus F2 sine theta. Here F1 sine theta plus F2 sine theta. That's why here F1 is equal to F2. That's why we can written as 2F1 sine theta. Students, listen. So here F net force is the restoring force acting on it is. That's why net force is equal to MA. Therefore MA is equal to minus. It is brings towards midpoint. That's why here minus restoring 2. F1 is nothing but this one. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by L square plus X square. F1 is over. Sin theta from figure. So this is the theta. Sin theta is equal to, students, X by L square plus X square under root. Therefore here X by L square plus X square under root. Here M take that side. Therefore A is equal to minus QQ by 2 pi epsilon naught. Here 2 is there. Epsilon naught into here M. This is also M. So remaining is X divided by L square plus X square whole power. Here power is 1. Here power is 1 by 2. 3 by 2. So here this is the acceleration of a minus Q charge. So here A minus indicates it is opposite to displacement. So here now assumption. If it is displaced slightly, that means as X is very small. That means X less than L. Therefore here L square plus X square becomes L square. Instead of this one you should write L square. Therefore A is equal to minus QQ by 2 pi epsilon naught M into X by, this is the L square whole power 3 by 2. Here 2 cancel. This 2 cancel. After that we get minus QQ by 2 pi epsilon naught ML cube into X. We know that this is the constant term. It is the constant term. Therefore here acceleration is equal to acceleration. This is the constant. So and equation 1 this is the constant. A is directly proportional to minus X. Students, A is directly proportional to minus X. So it is in linear SHM. Therefore acceleration of a particle executing in SHM, acceleration equal to omega square x. This is the equation 2. From these two equation 1 and 2 comparing with each other, we get AA minus XX. Therefore here omega square is equal to QQ by 2 pi epsilon naught M L cube. What do you want? We want angular velocity omega. Therefore here omega is equal to root over QQ by 2 pi epsilon naught m LQ. Then after that we want time period. Time period equal to 2 pi by omega. That's why instead of omega I should write this one. Therefore here 2 pi epsilon naught mLQ by QQ. This is the time period of a charged particle minus q. Minus q is displaced slightly perpendicular to line joining the fixed charges. That means here lateral displacement, small lateral displacement. That's why here if it is a negative charge, it is executing in SHM. Suppose this is the positive charge, what happened? Suppose here positive charge is there, sir. So here QQ positive, and at midpoint also positive charge is kept. The positive is displaced along the line joining them, it is in SHM. If it is negative, it is displaced slightly perpendicular to line joining them, it is also in SHM. Suppose here plus Q is displaced slightly, lateral displacement slightly perpendicular to line joining them, what happens? Here charge is there, net force 0 at midpoint. Now it is kept at this point, displaced here to here x distance, what happened? The force acting on Q due to this one, this side, due to this one, this side, it can be resolved into two rectangular components. That's why here this will be cancelled with each other. Only this force is there. This force is brings away from midpoint. Never it comes to back to the midpoint. If it is positive and displaced slightly, lateral displacement or perpendicular direction, it never executing in SHM if it is positive. So write down, students.